Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can select seat in Condor. So let's get straight into it. Now, when you selected your uh, flights, just hit here continue and you will be redirected to the next page where you can now select where you want to sit. So because I'm alone, it's really easy to do that, so I can go right here or I can go right over here wherever I want. But here is the catch: if you see, the seats are the seats you need to pay extra. So more in the front you are, the expensive will be. So if I put right here is additional 20 euros for this seat. So if you skip and continue, it will be you will be placed into the random seat. Now, if I want to confirm, I will hit right here, confirm and continue. And also for the back, I will do it right. Let's say like that. And this is 40 euros extra. Now you will be here to some additional information. When you are happy with that, just go continue it without saving, and like so you have successfully uh, selected your seats. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.